Hello, I am standing outside the Back to Nature Eco Lodge here in Carita Beach. This is a place that is not well known, but it really merits to be known better. So I will make a little video about it. You see here the entrance. It is a family lodge and it belongs to the Go Green communities. This place was made by the owner Eddie, who also manages it, and it's a very nice place. Okay, I am standing here beside the owner and manager of the place, Eddie.
Yeah.
Hello Eddie, say hello.
How are you?
So why don't you tell me a little about the history, how you came to make this place?
Yeah. Okay, I will tell you about this place. How I built it. It's really from the beginning, really step by step. Just because first I really like the nature. I would like to make this area it's a bit green. So I start from that, from one room, two rooms, and from fish pond, and become to be a swimming pool now for for children who could practice swim. For like elementary school children.
So this pool is only for the guests, or also the people from the village can come?
From the village also can come, like especially children who want to practice the swimming. For me, it's welcome for them because to make them happy.
Yes,
To
that's
make them,
very good.
Yeah.
And how many rooms do you have?
At the moment we have like 8 room and then 2 little cottage. And we have like a restaurant, kitchen over there.
You see the courtyard, there is a swimming pool. In some guides it says it is a fishing pond, but actually this is the past. They used to have a fishing pond, but now they have a very nice swimming pool.
Let me show you around.
Yes.
Yeah, from here anyway, it's not really far to the beach, just only 200 meters across the road. And then the concept is I try to build this place. It's like really back to nature. We try to make it like from the nature, like from bamboo or coconuts, or like roof, like from as much as possible, all the material it's coming from the nature.
Can we see a room?
Yes, I will show you. Here, this is we have room here. Yeah, this is bed. We have 2 bed, and all this is we made it, yeah, like all from coconut trees, yeah. And then this is the bathroom and simple shower.
Do you have hot water?
At the moment, not yet,
Not yet, but it will come.
but it will come.
You continuously try to improve your place.
Yes, I will continue to improve my place because I would like to make all my clients, all my guests, they feel home here. So we just like no gap between guests and management here, but we just want to make more close and more like family.
Like family, that's very nice.
Here, that's the restaurant and the kitchen over there. I mean, for my guests who like to cook or like to cook, they can cook, come to the kitchen. Welcome anytime.
So
For
they
us,
can
it's really
even
no
cook
problem.
themselves,
Yep.
or they can eat the food made by your wife, I think.
Yes. Also,
Okay, so this is the nice lunch, typical Indonesian food. Can you explain to me what I'm going to eat
this
here?
is plain rice, and then that's tofu and tempeh. Yes, from soybean. And this is, we call it sayur asam, mixed vegetable soup. With corn, we call it melinjo, and then long nut, and then papaya.
I tasted it, it's very nice.
Thank you. And then I will show you here. In the future, it will be more room here. Yeah, this one it's a musola for Muslim. Can pray. This musola, and then we have like 4 new room now, and then little cottage on progress, and maybe 2 other cottage will be progress in the future. And then not far from us there is a river, which is we could explore canoeing along the river to see like how green around the area. And this is good also for in the future. It will be like outbound for the children, like you know, it's really all the game for really outdoor games. Yeah, like you know, I would like to introduce all the children who could appreciate about the nature. That's my goal actually, you know, to have like really green around. Yeah, because I think you know the green is very important for human life. Yeah,
It is.
it is, because you know before we plant, this is just only piece of dry land. But after that, you know, since last few years ago, I start like 2010. We just like planting more or less almost like 5,000 different trees now. And now this is one of mahogany trees, and also many other fruit, like this is duku fruit, that guava, and mango, lychees, coconut. The river, so that's Little Hat, you know, also part of.
Also belongs to your
Yep,
place.
Yep. We're going to make in the future. We're going to make like a bamboo hanging bridge.
Oh, that's nice.
Here, and then look, that's trees. That's thick trees.
Wood, yeah.
And then it's already like 3.5 years old. Yeah. And the others like all eatable, like papaya, rambutan, cassava,
All the food trees
all food trees for the future.
for the future.
Yeah, everyone who like, welcome.
Thank you. And you also plant food for the kitchen.
Yes.
You have garden to make food for the kitchen.
Yes. Yeah. Also very, yeah. I mean, then after that, you know, this is little river. The river it's go to the sea and also to the mountain. So we have like 3 different river, which is yeah good for you know for children or for people who live in the city, who have like you know very stressful life, you know,
Yes.
every day. So they come here in the weekend, you know, just back filled with the nature.
Nature.
Yeah.